Okay, let's talk fences. Ever look at your property line and think, it could be more? Is your fence just kind of there? Or could it actually be making a statement?
Well, that's where a feature fence comes in, turning something ordinary into something special.
It's basically a fence designed to boost your home's privacy, curb appeal, and overall style.
So, why get one? Let's quickly break down the 4 key benefits.
You get better looks, way more privacy, a boost in security, and higher property value. It's a smart upgrade that really pays off, especially if you ever plan to sell. You might be wondering how this all happens. Well, it's a pretty clear 5-step process. It all starts with a chat and ends with a final check, making sure every stage is perfect. First up is the consultation. That's where your unique vision is basically the blueprint. Next, the site gets prepped. This makes sure the foundation for the whole thing is flawless. And finally, a super thorough inspection guarantees every little detail meets those high standards. Now for the fun part. What's it going to be made of? You've got some amazing options.
From timeless wood to sleek aluminum, each material brings its own style and function to the table.
But why is it so important to hire a professional for a project like this? Working with licensed and insured experts just gives you total peace of mind, you know? A pro is going to mean clear communication and a real commitment to getting it done right for you. Plus, your investment is protected with solid warranties on both the materials and the work itself. So really think about it. A feature fence can totally redefine your space. What could it do for you?